Hey Cachers, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. Today we're going to be building a very simple PVC gadget cache that you only need two tools, a saw and a drill. Let's get started. So when I was moving here to Tennessee from South Carolina, one of the caches that I found on the way was a PVC gadget cache, and I absolutely loved that cache. I thought it was really cool, and I just couldn't put my head around how it was made. But let me tell you, it's really super simple to make. And I was talking to the truck a few weeks back on a previous video, but not on the video. We were talking about different PVC gadget caches, and he showed me and told me how to create this cache. And it's really simple, and all you need tool-wise is a saw and a drill. And you can pretty much make this cache less than, about $15. And it's really simple, and that's what we're gonna be making. So first off, I've already got my PVC pipe. All right, so you can do this at any length of PVC pipe that you want. Now I've kind of cut this one down just a little bit because I'm not sure where it's gonna be, but it's really great. So this is the first part. All right, the next thing you need is just a cap. Now you're just gonna take the cap, I'm just gonna put it on there, just like that, okay? Now I'm gonna take this pipe and I'm gonna secure it to the pole because the rest of it is all gonna get attached to up here at the top. Okay, so now the pipe is secure. Now this is just for demonstration purposes. I just kind of secured it there. Eventually you'll attach it to something, but that's later on down the road. Now the next piece that you're gonna need of PVC is a PVC Y. Now the pipe that I'm using is a 1.5 inch. And this just goes on the top. And the next piece of the gadgets you're gonna need a medicine bottle. And this is where you're gonna first have to use a tool. And then you're just gonna use a drill, because what you're gonna need to do is drill a hole into the top of this medicine bottle. I've got that hole drilled into the medicine bottle, and I just have the cap here. Now the next thing you're gonna need is some paracord. I'm just gonna push the paracord through here, and then I'm going to tie a knot in the other end. Now, a quick tip on paracord. If you're going to use paracord, when you cut it, remember to burn the ends, and that'll keep it from fraying and coming apart. A really great little tip there. Next step is you take the medicine bottle itself, and you need to fill it up with some weights. You know, you can do that with washers or anything that's going to give it some weight. I wouldn't use a liquid because of that. But what I have is that I'm going to be using some marbles. I'm going to put some marbles in there. Just as a nice counterweight, I'm gonna fill it all the way up with as many marbles as I can. All right, so now that we have this as a counterweight, we're just gonna set this aside, because the next thing that you're gonna need is that you're gonna need a clean out. And the only reason I'm gonna go to the clean out next is because I need this to get a measurement for the next part. Now, when you get a clean out, you're gonna need two of these clean outs. They actually come in two different parts. They have the adapter, and then they have the cap. So that's what you're gonna be looking for. You're gonna be looking for those two parts. And now I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna go put it back up here onto the Y. So the next part is that I need to get a measurement of what the width is between the top of this cap to the back of the pipe. And how I'm gonna do that is I'm just gonna take the cap off itself and set that to the side. And then I have this 1 inch PVC that I'm just gonna slip in and see about where it needs to be. So it only needs to be maybe about 2 to 3 inches long. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hacksaw and I'm gonna cut this PVC down to about 2.5 inches. All right, so now I've got the PVC cut. Now the next thing I need to do is drill a hole in here so I can attach paracord that we had before. All right, so I have the hole now drilled in the PVC. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this Y up just a little bit, drop the counterweight down, and then run the paracord through out this front Y and secure it to this PVC. And that's what will actually help bring up the cache. And there it is, just a simple PVC gadget cache. That's just a lot of fun to find. Hey, I want to hear from you. Have you found a gadget cache like this? If so, leave me a comment down below. And once again, I want to thank the truck for giving me the plans of how to actually create this. Really simple, I was just overthinking it. Thank you very much, the truck. And hey, don't go anywhere. Check out another one of these videos just right over here and find the story behind the cache.